Here at Greg May Honda, we have been doing business with Petra since the inception in 2010 and are proud to be known as one of their very first clients. We chose Petra for their economic values, for what they brought to us as far as pricing and helping us in the service department with a one-stop shop for all the products that we needed at the best prices that we had found. We like most about Petra their warranty, the lifetime warranty that Petra gives our customers and products. And what that does is it gives us an advantage in the marketplace because our customers keep coming back. They have a peace of mind that no one else can give. I would recommend Petra because of the customer service that I receive. They're always trying to add to the product line and give us those things that help us to help our customers. And so now we sit here today, 9 years later, and we have a complete full spectrum of products. We've never had one complaint about a Petra product. And for a dealer that has almost 1,500 customers a month coming through the service department, that's important.